put down some commitments to get them there. So I think if you start with the little that you can afford, not breaking any bone, you'll be able to get to your objective.
Okay, let's speak to Gordon. Gordon Dankwa is joining us from Dansuman. Gordon, Happy New Year to you. Thanks for joining us. Let's hear you.
Many happy returns, Avi. How are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you.
And good morning to you and your panelists.
Good morning, Gordon. Go ahead, please.
The name of the gentleman from Dow, is it?
Mr. Frank Kwachi.
Okay, Mr. Kwachi. I, to a large extent, agree perfectly with most of his submissions in respect of especially the money aspect of who owns the man's money and who owns the woman's earnings. Certainly, the woman's earnings can never ever be a part of the man's what do you call it, earnings. That's a given. However, and that then brings out this caveat that we need to watch out. You ladies, Mama V,
yes,
should, and again, it then dovetails into the saying that he who calls plays the piper calls the tune. Correct?
Yes.
And so many a times we are having the men taking the responsibility as they should. I'm not saying all, but many a times you have the men taking up that responsibility as they should. And in the same vein, the women still want the men who are doing this to be rubbing shoulders with them. So you should know your place then.
Yeah.
So if we, because I noticed that all you women are nodding and agreeing. Yes. And we agree to that, yes, perfectly. We agree to that perfectly. It's our responsibility to take care of you. No matter how much you are earning, we are to take care of you. No dispute about that. But in the same vein, be submissive.
Okay.
And note that the man, you can never, this, what do you call it, what a man can do, a woman can do, rub it off, and then know your place, your rightful place in the home, and play your game as you must be. That will promote, I tell you what, happy family in 2018. Many broken homes are because women are attempting to overstep the shoulders of women, of the men, whereas the man is at the same time being frontal with all the responsibilities.
Yeah, absolutely. I 100% agree with you. Thank you very much, Gordon. I mean, I'm not into all the feminism, all the whatever. Auntie Funke can disagree with me, whatever.
Disagree long time before.
Yeah, Beyonce can disagree long time before. But I tell you what, and I agree with Gordon absolutely. If you want to grow a home, somebody must be the head and somebody must follow. So yes. Yeah.
The way I am feeling.
Don't feel. Calm down.
Oh, no. Know your place in the house. What do you mean, know your place in the house? Fine, I can be the neck, but don't tell me go and sit somewhere. Know your place in the house. What are you talking about? We don't understand it like that. Rubbing shoulders. Are we not co-equal? You can be the head, but are we not co-equal? Did you not come and look for me and marry me? You understand me? I understand I have to respect you, but don't come and tell me know your place in the house. I don't agree with it. If I'm gonna start this thing, I don't think we will finish.
So don't start.
I think you need. You have a lot of work. You have a lot of work.
I think you have to walk a thin line here. I believe strongly that if a man loves the wife, submission will come easily.
Yeah.
So it's two sides. The reason why I'm saying that is that God in His own wisdom asks men to love their wives. Because it is a difficult thing sometimes for a man to love the wife. Because, that's why you see men hopping around doing other things. And it's also a difficult thing for women to submit, especially when the money issues come in, and more especially when she's even earning more than you are bringing in.
Yeah.
It takes the extra effort. So that's why I'm saying I'm walking a thin line.
Yeah.
Each and every one will have to do his part.
Yeah.
to get the other person. I mean, it's like you've heard women saying that the man doesn't love me because he's doing other things. But then the question I also sometimes ask is that the woman will also say, or the man will also say that my wife is not submissive. So you have this argument being thrown at each other every now and then. But I believe that it all starts with the communication too. And like this morning we started, there are 3 things that I always say that makes a relationship work: money, communication, and maybe the S1, which people don't want to talk about.
Let's talk to Jerry. Jerry is joining us in Achimota. We've got just a few minutes to